PNP Constituency leader shot dead in Westmoreland.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
The People's National Party are now mourning the gruesome murder of a party member who was shot and killed by gunmen in Negril, Westmoreland on Thursday morning, May the 10th. The deceased has been identified as Mikey Dawes, a Rastafarian businessman of a Negril address and constituency leader for the People's National Party in Western Westmoreland. Reports are that shortly after 11:30 a.m. on Thursday, Dawes was on his construction site in West End Negril overseeing a dream house which he was building in the area. It is further reported that while at the site, he was ambushed by armed men who shot him several times to his upper body. The Negril police were summoned, and upon arrival, the wounded man was transported to the Savannah Lamar Hospital where he was pronounced dead. In the meanwhile, PNP Member of Parliament for Western Westmoreland, Wickham McNeil, said that he is still traumatized by the shocking news. The opposition tourism spokesperson said that Dawes was not only his right-hand man, but he was a very uplifting community member who was loved by all and played the role of constituency leader for the PNP. He further stated that he was very saddened by his comrade's demise.
He was one of the kindest, most giving people that I knew. He hardly came to me for himself. It was always for the shot in here or the student there. And, you know, just the other day they were at a funeral in the rain, digging a grave. He was there, one of those people that is always looking out for others. And, you know, it brings this crime into something very personal. And when people hear me speaking in Parliament and at community meetings and just calling for government and calling for the country that we need to do something serious about crime, it's on a very personal level. And it's a very sad day for me. It's a very sad day for the people of Western Westmoreland. And, you know, my prayers go with his wife and children. And, you know, may his soul rest in peace.
In the meanwhile, the Westmoreland police are theorizing that robbery could have been a motive for Dawes' death. Still over in Westmoreland, a submachine gun was seized. The Westmoreland police have taken another high-powered weapon off the streets with the seizure Tuesday of a submachine gun in the parish. Reports are that during an early morning police operation, the illegal gun was recovered along with 24 9mm rounds and 2 magazines in the Rocky Hole Froome community. No one was arrested in connection with the recovery. Last week, the Westmoreland police also seized an AK-47 rifle and a number of assorted rounds of ammunition during intensified security forces operation in the parish, following an upsurge of killings. Several persons were also arrested in connection with crimes committed in the parish. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.